Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss important mathematical concepts and patterns that help explain the world around us. Mathematics is not only about solving equations, but also about understanding numbers, designs, and patterns found in nature and everyday life. I will explain each topic and provide examples for better listening. First are natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. We use them every day when counting money, people, or objects. There are also four basic operations, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, is 8 plus 5 equals 13, 12 minus 7 equals 5, 6 times 4 equals 24, and 20 divided by 5 equals 4. This operation these operations help us solve problems in everyday situations like shopping and budgeting. Prime numbers are natural numbers greater than 1 that have exactly two factors, 1 and itself. Examples are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Composite numbers have more than two factors. For example, the number 12 can be broken down into prime factors as 2 times 2 times 3. Prime numbers are important because they are used in computer security and technology. Next is the set of integers. Integers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. Examples are negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. We use integers for temperatures and gains or losses in money. Next is rational numbers. The rational numbers can be written as fractions, such as 1 half or 3 fourths. For example, 1 half equals 0.5. On the other hand, irrational numbers cannot be written as simple fractions. Examples include p and square root of 2. P, approximately 3.14, is used in solving problems involving circles. Now let's move on to Fibonacci sequence and golden ratio. Fibonacci sequence follows a pattern where each number is the sum of the previous two numbers. Examples are 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13. This sequence is connected to the golden ratio, approximately 1.618. These patterns can be found in nature, such as sunflower seeds, shells, and pine cones. Next is the types of geometric symmetries and transformations. Symmetry means balance in shapes and objects. Examples include reflection, rotation, and translation. Butterfly wings show reflection symmetry because both sides look similar. Clock hands demonstrate rotation as they move around a center point. These concepts are useful in art, architecture, and design. Now let's move on to tessellations. Tessellations are repeating patterns that cover a surface without gaps and overlaps. Examples include floor tiles, brick walls, and honeycombs. Hexagons in honeycombs are a good example because they fit together perfectly. And last one is the fractal patterns. Fractals are repeating patterns that look similar at different sizes. Examples include snowflakes, tree branches, and fern leaves. For example, small branches of a tree often resemble the shape of the whole tree. Fractals are useful in science and computer graphics. To conclude, mathematics helps us understand numbers, patterns, and structures in everyday life. These concepts are not only used in school but also appear in nature, technology, and the world around us. Again, this is Lahani Zara Almieta Andoy, and thank you for listening.